It is so dope. What is up, everybody? I'm here camping at Blue River, and this time I'm using the tent. I'm using one of my tents from REI. It's a pretty dope one. I'll leave the description type in the... I've had it for about 2 years. Haven't really used it much, only used it once. If you look at one of my past videos, you'll see it. It's pretty awesome. It's a two-wall layered tent, so it'll protect from the cold and all sorts of elements. The end goal here really is to just enjoy the environment, the campsite, because one of these campsites is super rare to find. This whole area is literally mine. Like, it's all to myself, and it's pretty quiet. You can hear the water down on the other side, right on the other side of the road by my Jeep.
It is morning time, and I slept good-ish. I had nightmares last night. I had a dream that there was a bear going around the tent, and I can hear it grunting and stuff like that, and I was like, oh, crap. And I had an axe. Well, I do have an axe inside here, but then the bear was trying to break in and stuff like that, so I woke up. I'm like, ooh, there's no bear. So yeah, I literally had a nightbear. This REI tent is one of my favorites. Super easy to set up, and there's a lot of room, and there's a lot of headspace too. I like that a lot. And then these vents here are pretty dope, and they also open up, so instead of having the screen, you can unscreen it by unzipping it, and it has another on this side as well. So when these two are open, and then the front side is open, there's a lot of air circulation that goes through here. It's pretty cool. And again, this is a doubled wall tent, so it does super well when it's cold out.
I went to this place yesterday, Buki's, whatever, with that store with the beaver on it. And I got this sandwich. It's pulled pork, and I didn't eat it all. So what I did is I just put it in here and added a little bit of water and kept it in its foil paper, and now it's gonna steam so it gets hot, so I can eat it warm.